love me. Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Welcome back to my channel, Royal Gang Gang. It's your girl, Perp Queen, yeah, that's me. And today, as you can see, I have the first seafood boil of 2022. So I have some garlic noodles, some shrimp, some lobster tails, some eggs, crabs, chicken, and pork sausage. Did I say eggs? Well, if I didn't, cucumbers, some shrimp, and I don't know what else. And then, of course, you probably can't see, I got that whop the bam sauce over here on the side. So yeah, I am starving, y'all. Period. So I'm finna go ahead and get to eating. I wonder, can y'all see my butter sauce? Ooh, that's hot. I can't get my butter sauce in there, guys. Got it? There you go. Boom. Go do it like that. My bad. I definitely did not do a proper intro. I'm hungry. Yeah, I said Perp Queen, yeah, that's me. It's hot in here. Setting this up and everything is crazy. But yeah, welcome back to my channel, Royal Gang Gang. It's your girl, Perp Queen, yeah, that's me. If you are new, thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you like it, subscribe, and leave me a comment below. For those who already subscribed, click that bell. Or you probably didn't even click the bell. You just, subscribe. And I still love you for that. Thank you. I appreciate it. And I hope you enjoyed the video and keep coming back for more. Today, like everybody else, I got the first seafood boil of 2022. And yeah, I'm hungry. We go try to talk about something. Hold on. We'll try to talk about something when I put something in my stomach. God is good. God is great. Let us take us for food. Amen. I'm trying something different. But Happy New Year. I hope everyone's New Year is going good right now. So, yeah. I'm finna, okay. Please don't spill. I already had an episode in the summertime about me having butter sauce, and at the end of the video, the whole bowl filled. Son of a Joseph. This was my first time. Was this my first time? First or second time? I don't know. I think I messed up the first time. But these garlic noodles, oh my God. So good. Oh my God. This is good. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. I forgot my straw. But y'all already know. I'm not gonna eat all of it. I should have made this my It was almost finna be that challenge. No utensil challenge. Got an orange crush. Who loves orange soda? Kels loves orange soda. I do. Kenan and Kels, that was my show. Okay, let me go ahead and get in this whopped up bam sauce. These doodles is everything. It's so good. I got some crab legs under here too. I don't think I said that. Finna dip one of them shrimps. Fresh parsley tastes so much better. Get my little personal garbage can together. Let's try this corn. When I was younger, I used to fuck up some corn. As long as it had butter, salt, and pepper, Yeah, it was on point. Mmm. That's good. I've been craving seafood. Excuse me, I ain't using the fork no more. I've been craving seafood. But the rest of the family didn't want it, so I waited. I thought couldn't take it no more. We eating some seafood, so I made seafood boil. I made it for everybody because I ain't want them to look at me like, so you over there eating good, and they gotta eat like some hot dogs or some quick food or something like that. So I cook for everybody. Oh, excuse me. They can't say nothing. This is supposed to be an ASMR, but decided to talk. But I'm not gonna be on here long. But I hope you guys out there being safe. Like, it's like 4 different goddamn viruses out there. So guys, y'all just stay safe. The government trying to kill us. Period, point blank. It makes no sense. All of a sudden, all these goddamn viruses coming up. I'm gonna go ahead and get into this lobster tail and crab legs. Before I get on. Really? It ain't coming off like I want some, so just go ahead and dip it. Scoop it out with my teeth. Mm-mm. I think it's overcooked. I mean, it don't taste overcooked, but it's sticking to this damn shell. Mm. I'm mad it ain't clean like I really want it to be, but as much as I paid for these damn lobsters. Mm. My bad, y'all. I wasn't trying to go back to the noodles, but I gotta go back to these noodles. Mm. So good. Okay. About to crack into some of these crab eggs. But yeah, like I was saying, I hope you guys staying safe. Here in Chicago, they didn't shut all the schools down. The teachers went on strike and stuff. Man, ooh. It's ridiculous. Like the kids not, no, they haven't been in school for like what? 3 days now? And no, it's not no remote learning. None of this. It's crazy. People don't want to work in these conditions. I mean, good. I don't blame them. You got half of the students don't want to participate. Hell, listen and respect you. They're not gonna pay them. They risking their life. Ooh, this is good. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. It's that good. It's mouth popping good. I know that was an ugly face. This is good. Sometimes it's good to have nails. I'm finna get in this bad boy. Oh, this is so good. Hold on, let me get this piece out first. Ooh. Mm-mm. Ooh, my hair. Mm-hmm. Woo. Yeah, I really didn't want none. Just gonna tell y'all. Hold on, let me wipe my mouth first. It was too good, y'all. This is good. My woo up the bam sauce. Everybody likes it because I didn't make it too spicy. That's why I'm over here doing this. But I got a mild, medium, and fucking hot of my sauce. But just stay tuned. It's gonna be there. I'm coming up. I'm coming there. Oh my God, it's so good. Kings, queens, this is that good. I said I was wiping my mouth. I'm licking my fingers. Yeah, I'm finna go back in. Give me one more shrimp. Which one more shrimp? Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Okay. I'm finna go. Y'all already know I'm not finna eat all of this. One day I'm gonna be able to collab with somebody and we can share this feast together. Ooh, my chin. Ooh, damn. My chin was dripping. Drip, drip. Butter sauce came through dripping. But yeah. I promise you, I want to eat some more. That's how good it is. I want to eat some more. I'm sorry if my video a little crooked, because I think it's going to be a little crooked. But this that good. I want to finish eating. Well, keep on eating some more, but my ass always been bigger than my stomach. And I don't want to have that uncomfortableness like for the rest of the night, because I'm stuffed. So yeah. Let me stop looking, because I'm definitely looking to see if something I can grab real quick. Like, fuck it. Okay, I'm done. I promise. I'm done. I'm done. This lemon. Mm. Mm. Okay. That shrimp did it. You already know what it is. You already know who it is. Woo! Then that pepper got me. That serrano pepper. I done elevated from jalapeno peppers to serrano peppers, habanero, ghost, scotch bonnet. But I think scotch bonnet and habanero the same thing, but I have not found scotch bonnet peppers yet. Because I'm into making my own personalized sauces to sell. So I need all of the freshest ingredients and everything to go ahead and do what I gotta do. So yeah. So yeah. That's why I'm downtown. Thank you for watching. If you new, I think my dog just escaped. But anyway, I'm gonna get his head. If you new and you got to the end to this message, thank you, thank you, thank you. I hope you like it and I hope you subscribe and ring that bell and come on back. For the ones that's already subscribed to me, thank you, thank you, thank you. You are a blessing to me. You are helping me and you hype me up, hype me up, hype me up to keep on going and going and going, because I see my subscribers is going up and I so thank y'all. So thank y'all, thank y'all, thank y'all. I'm trying to do something different. I'm Aquarius and I need to think out the box. I'm uniquely different. What my auntie said, I'm truly uniquely made. So I'm trying to do different shit. I'll be wanting to prank my family, but like I said, I'm on Aquarius. I don't want them to do it back, but I know it's going to happen. But like all I said is, like, if they prank me, like I said in one of my previous videos before, like in the summertime, like let me know soon after, before I turn the fuck up and go to like 1,000. So I just want to expand my channel to do other stuff, get another channel if it need be, because like I said, this could be my food. My other channel could be nothing but hair, beauty products and stuff. I'm not too big on makeup, but I'm trying to like get my makeup and stuff together, like down packed, because I got a man. I want to look good for him and whatnot. So yeah, thank you for watching my video, and hope you just watch the next one. I hope you like this one. Kings and queens, stay safe. Please stay safe, because the world is like, to me it looks like it's finna shut back down again. And I'm gonna do another video because I still got more seafood. Well, not cooked, I got like stuff on the side, but whatever what. But I'm just saying, like, yeah, I got some things to talk about. I don't know if YouTube will allow me to do that, but shit, it's movies out there, Netflix and Prime. To drop some names, Don't Look Up, Netflix. Utopia, Netflix. And there was another one. I just watched it the other night. It was on Prime. It was with OG Bobby Johnson, and it's about the end of the world. It's just all fucked up. Like, come on now. But yeah, until next time, Royal Gang Gang, enjoy your night, day, whatever time that you watching this video, enjoy it. Bye, till next video.